I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet between the posts in the round. So I'm ready to join to my next round. This was my last half double crochet. This is my first half double crochet from that row, and this was my chain 1 to start the row. So I'm going to slip stitch to join. I'm going to slip my hook into the first half double crochet and just do a simple slip stitch. And I'm going to chain 1, and now I'm going to half double crochet between. This was my first half double crochet of the previous round. This was my second one. I'm going to go in between those two. So normally you would go underneath these top two parts of the V. This time we're going to go underneath those and this other third stitch below it. So I'm just going to stick my hook in between those two, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. Show you that one more time. We're going to go in between these two stitches. Here's the space right here. Yarn over, go in between those two stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three.